In this video of the VIP Test Modeler Quick Start series, we're going to be using the Page Object Scanner to rapidly create page objects. The goal of this session is that by the end you will have the Test Modeler browser extension installed and be able to build page objects rapidly. Traditionally, building page objects by hand is time consuming and frankly boring. With the Test Modeler Scanner, you can create page objects instantaneously just from scanning web pages. The Test Modeler Object Scanner can be used to scan a web page and automatically extract all of the interactive components on a page. It then constructs page objects in Test Modeler, which can then be converted to Java, C# or Python code. So let's jump in and install the Test Modeler extension. So I've just logged into my cloud account in Test Modeler here, and what we're going to do is install the browser extension. To do that, I'm just in the dashboard page and I'm going to hit the Install Recorder button here, and that's going to bring up the Chrome Web Store. All I need to do is hit the Add to Chrome button, click Add Extension, and that is going to install the extension inside my browser. Okay, we're now going to build some page objects. Inside Test Modeler, what we're going to do now is firstly create a new project. So I'm going to come over to the Project and Releases tab here, and we're going to create a new project called Magento and click Save. First thing you're going to notice here is the project context has changed. This is what we can use to switch between different projects and releases. So if I want to go back to our examples project, I can switch over to that, and also I can switch back to our new project here. We're going to create a new folder inside our models view, and we'll call this one modules and click OK. And we'll see that's created a new folder which I can navigate inside. Now, in this video, we're going to be testing the sign up page of the Magento website, where we have an email, password, and sign in. What we're going to do is we're going to open up our browser extension and we're going to log in. We're then going to select our Magento project and click Submit. And we're going to be using the scanner here, not the recorder. So we're just going to hit the Object Builder button at the top here, put that into Object Builder mode. Then all we need to do is hit the Start button and start selecting the objects that we want to register inside our scanner. So we'll bring them forward. And the next thing we're going to do here, we'll just hit pause. We'll click the sign in button just to trigger our error messages. Come back in, hit the resume button, and we'll scan the other fields here and bring them in as assertions, as so. Come in, hit the stop button. We'll see that we had 6 items registered. We can click the review object here, and what we can see are the errors, are the items that got brought in. Some of these weren't named very well. I know this one refers to the sign in button, so we'll just rename that. And also this one here, which was forgot password. And then we've got our email error and our password error down here as well. We'll just rename them as so. Click Save. And then what we're going to do is we're going to upload this page object into our modules folder. So we'll hit upload. That has been uploaded successfully. So we'll come back to Test Modeler, we'll refresh, and what we'll see in here are 2 objects. Firstly, we've got our page object, which has the objects that we registered, and inside each of these objects we'll see all of the different identifiers it registered for each of these. So for the email, I picked out 2 XPaths, a class name and ID, a tag name, and also ranked these out of 5 over how confident it thinks it would be to pick out that object using these identifiers. It's also created the implementation layer here, which in this case is using a Java-based framework, which we'll be using throughout the rest of this video. And you'll see here it's got the actions like going to the URL, clicking the forgot password, entering the password, entering the email, etc. We can come in here, hit the download button, and we'll see a little Java class has been downloaded. And if we open that class up, what we'll see is all of the code that has been auto-generated by Test Modeler. So we've got our identifiers at the top, and we've got our functions we can perform on this page. So this page object has been automatically created by Test Modeler for us. So that's how we can use the Test Modeler scanner to quickly build page objects that can be consumed inside my automation framework. In the next video, we'll be looking at how we can overlay these actions on top of the model to create automated tests. Thanks for watching this video. Any questions, please email james.walker@curiosity.software.